Alright guys, welcome back to part 2 of the M235i build, or whatever you want to call it. Today we're going to be installing the performance mods on the car. So yesterday you saw us get the oil pan done and the transmission and also the valve cover gasket. So today we're going to be getting the charge pipe on, the downpipe, and the front mount intercooler. Right now Greg is actually working on getting that charge pipe off, which is right there, that big black plastic pipe. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this charge pipe off and get back to you guys. There we go. Charge pipe is finally out. Or not. Not yet, at least. It's on its way out. So this charge pipe is actually not that hard. You just gotta pop a clip off from the throttle body, from the top. There's also a wire, a plug that's in it, and a hose on the side. I'll show you guys right now. Here it is. These charge pipes are like prone to just cracking. My cousin Sammy's actually cracked. But there's one clip on the intercooler side, one clip on the throttle body side, this wire right here, the sensor, and this hose connection, and it just pops straight off. So that's out of there. Before installing the new charge pipe, we're gonna go ahead and install the new intercooler first. Alright guys, since we got that charge pipe out, now it's time to get this intercooler, the old intercooler, out of here. I believe it just drops straight out of here, so it should be pretty easy. Gregory is working on getting the turbo side charge pipe off, or inlet pipe to be exact, and then it's 2 bolts on the bottom, and the intercooler should just drop right out. Intercooler is out of there, and also a bunch of freaking dirt and shit too. Here is the OEM one. Now we're gonna compare it to the aftermarket one. This thing is small compared to the aftermarket one. Look at the difference, guys. It's tall and it sticks out way more. This thing is huge, and this one's pretty thick too. Yeah, it's thick, but it's not like tall like that one.
There's an even bigger one than
Is it the same thickness? This is yep. See?
Yeah.
It's way thicker.
Thicker one than that too, Joe.
This is actually a precise measurement. Did you know that? Yeah, there's a way bigger one than that, but you have to like start cutting shit. All right, let's go ahead and throw that new one back onto the car. Intercooler is finally in. Yeah. It's a pretty big intercooler. You can clearly see it through the front bumper now. It looks really good though. That's gonna help with cooling a lot. And it went in very easily. It only took a couple minutes to get it in there. Now we're gonna move on to putting the new charge pipe on. This is the old one right here, and the new one is over here. Now we're gonna mock this up in the same shape as that one, as the stock one, and then slap it back on. The charge pipe's ready to go in. We're gonna go ahead and throw one side in first, and then we'll throw this side in. Greg just got the top of the charge pipe in. I don't know how well you guys can see. Right here. Is it in the old? Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
that's it.
Down?
Yeah, that's it.
That's good.
Try to pull it out. No, that's it. Yeah. All right, that part is in. Now we can start getting this part in. All right, guys, charge pipe is on there. Greg is just finishing up tightening up the clamps, and that's basically it for that.
All right, guys, this is the charge pipe mounted. As you can see, it's 2-piece, one right here, one right there. That goes up all the way to the throttle body. Looks pretty good. Sponsor us, VRSF.
Made it up with the new intercooler. Everything is finally coming back together. Now we're gonna eat some fat burgers, thanks to Ottoman over here, who's chowing down on food even though he just ate probably 10 minutes ago.
And 2 hours before that.
And then we're gonna move on to installing the downpipe. Finally time to get that. Shut the f up. It's finally.
Good morning. Good morning, Kanye.
Shut the f up.
Hey, good morning, Kanye.
Shut the f up. It's finally time to get this old downpipe out of here and put this new one in. So I'm gonna go ahead, unhook these O2 sensors right here, the wires, and then drop the old downpipe. Okay, we finally got the stock downpipe off. Here's a little comparison to this old bulky one. Now we're going to transfer these O2 sensors onto the new downpipe. Alright boys, downpipe is ready to go back in. Alright guys, we got the new downpipe finally on there. Okay, I think that's where we're gonna call it a night today. Tomorrow you'll see us tune the car and basically go out for a drive. Alright guys, I forgot to start recording, but we moved on to the steering wheel. We actually took it off the car and we started putting the new steering wheel cover on there. It's looking really good so far. So we're just gonna finish it up and throw it back onto the car.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Action.
Alright guys, we just got done with the steering wheel. It's looking really good. It's all Alcantara with the M stitching on it. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and throw it on the car now.
And that's it.
Alright guys, the steering wheel is finally back into the car. And it's looking really good. It's matching up with his paddle shifters and stuff. So basically the car is completely done. I'm ordering the tune right now, so I'm about to start tuning the car to a stage 2 91 tune from Bootmod. Alright guys, I'm about to flash the tune on the car. Alright guys, I just tuned it, everything is done. Now we're gonna take it out for a little spin.
What up, Toad?
What up, Arm? Let's see how it feels. Pops aren't that loud. I could have put it even higher, Arm. That's just quick.
Yeah.
I think there's a cop around.
Alert.
Shit is fast, bro. What do you think, Todd?
I like it. It's quick. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I would give you guys another video on the car, but it's not my car. It's actually a customer's car. It's actually my friend's cousin's car. But yeah, the car came out great. All the parts went in pretty easily. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.